Walt Disney helped build our childhood imaginations, and for that, he made millions. Have you ever wondered where all that money went? Hi, I am estate planning attorney Nydia Menendez of Menendez Law Firm. Stay tuned and find out. Walt Disney passed away in 1966 at the young age of 65. His estate was valued at $23 million. Walt was a good steward. Not only had he done estate planning, but in his estate, Walt left half of his wealth to charity, which, by the way, is an excellent way to reduce taxes. The other half went in trust to his wife and his two daughters, Diane and Sharon. So far, so good. So why am I talking about this famous estate? Well, because even though Walt Disney did good planning, his youngest daughter, Sharon, not so much. And in 1993, Sharon died. Her trust included Disney stock for her three children, stipulating that her children would receive distributions every 5 years, beginning at age 35. The trustees were instructed to withhold distributions if the children did not show, and I quote, maturity and financial ability to manage and utilize such funds in a prudent and responsible manner. It sounds like Sharon had good intentions, but we all know the saying, the road to disaster is paved with good intentions. When Sharon died, her widower Bill was the trustee of their children's trust. So what is a widower to do? Well, remarry, of course. Bill's 5th wife was Sherry. When time for distributions to the children came, Bill and Sherry determined that Brad, the middle child, was not mature and financially competent enough, so his portion was drastically reduced. Bill and Sherry said their intent was to protect Brad, but not surprisingly, Brad disagreed and took the matter to court, where he made all kinds of accusations and allegations, including that Bill and Sherry were guided by greed. Shocking, right? Well, this battle went on for years. Stepfathers, stepmothers, sons, stepsisters, stepbrothers. You can only imagine it was a mess. Unfortunately, Sharon never took into consideration the effects of extended families or remarriage. And to make matters worse, the trust did not clearly define what constituted maturity and financial ability. So, the moral of this famous estate: be very clear in your estate plan, including the terms and the clauses. What does financial maturity really mean? Perhaps using other terms and conditions that could be more clearly measured, like, for example, must have a college degree or must be free from drug, alcohol, and gambling addictions, would have made more sense and would have more clearly spelled out what Sharon had in mind. Some say to be careful about putting in-laws in charge. Not me. I say be careful about putting greedy in-laws in charge. Lastly, take time to think of all the people who will impact and be impacted by the terms of your trust. Money does have a way of turning the tide. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and share. And to watch more videos, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when we bring you the next famous estates. See you soon.